Hello, and once again welcome to Awning Depot. My name is James. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the motor in your awning. Let's get started. First off, open your awning. Using your awning key, slacken off the material by turning the bottom dial clockwise. Turn off your power supply. This is very important. Take out the plug. Now to take off the side panel. You don't need to undo this bolt all the way, just loosen it off slightly. Slowly remove the side panel. Your motor should look like this. Now to remove the wiring clamp. Using a 10mm spanner, undo these bolts all the way. It's recommended that you put these in a safe place. Here's your wiring. One side is the LEDs and the other is the power. Now, time to take off the wiring end caps. Do this by using pliers and squeezing and pulling at the same time. These are not reusable. You can purchase more by contacting us via our webpage. Using one hand, hold on to the tube and the other by pulling the motor out slowly. Now take your new motor and the manual crank key and click it onto the motor. Now you'll notice there's a divot just here. This should align to the inner tube. Let's go ahead and put our new motor in. Let's line it up and push. Make sure you do this nice and slowly. Everything should fit nice and snug. Make sure it's facing this way. It's best to check the other side just to make sure the tube hasn't fallen out. Now put the side panel back on. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Now for the wiring. We do recommend that you take a photo of the wiring before you disconnect anything. This is how your wiring should look like. The LEDs with the black and brown and the main power with the coloured. Now it's time to pair your remote with your new motor. Plug the motor back in and turn it on. Take your remote, take the back off and remember the P2 button. You need to turn on your power supply and press the P2 button twice. Press forward on your awning and stop, and you're paired. Pop the battery cover back on. Let's tuck those wires away. Take your wiring clamp and secure it back into place. Now it's time to adjust your awning. You do this by using your awning key. Open your awning. Turn anti-clockwise on the bottom dial. You'll see that it's feeding outwards. If it's gone too far, turn it clockwise. Using your remote, bring in the awning, and because the motor isn't closing properly at the top, we use the key on the top and turn clockwise to make sure that it feeds in correctly. There we are. Now to test our awning. It's highly recommended that you test your awning before any changes like this. We're all done. From everybody here at Awning Depot, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe and like us on Facebook, and check out some of our other videos.